Hi everyone! We have not talked to you in forever and we just wanted to stop and check in. We're
Still
doing
hold up.
great.
Just
yeah.
still hold up.
Not much has changed. It's the same thing going on. We're just staying
Just
at
like
home.
probably most of you out there, just doing the same thing.
Yeah, but we just want to make sure oh my gosh, you hear Pistol? It's her lunchtime. We just wanted to make sure everyone out there was doing okay, and yeah, I guess there's not much to report here. We've been you've been doing some fishing.
A bit of fishing.
Not a lot of catching.
Yeah, that's true.
So that's
riding
been
the
going
bike around.
Oh yeah, you're getting ready to go for a bike ride today.
Taking Pistol for walks. Carving some spoons. I probably got like 15 spoons carved up. I should probably show all those sometime.
Yeah, so he's getting quite a bit of spoons carved, and once we kind of get out into society more, we'll be ready to ship some. So we're not really going to list any of those until we're ready to ship them. But so we got that going on. I wanted to show you guys though really quick.
The wind's picking up.
Woo, it's getting breezy. They have a pineapple growing over here I wanted to show you.
I'm gonna go for Pistol.
Okay.
Bye everyone.
Dave says bye everyone. I wanted to show you this pineapple. Isn't that the cutest thing you saw? So, Chris planted this pineapple just from a pineapple top. Like, she bought a pineapple at the store and then just twisted the top off, and like if you expose, like you pull off some of the bottom green leaves off the top and sprout that in water and plant it in soil, she grew a pineapple. So it takes several years to actually get to this stage. Now, I haven't researched how long it's going to take for this pineapple to grow into a big pineapple we can harvest, but I think it's going to take a while because it's been so slow to get this big. But maybe we'll still be here by the time this pineapple is ready to harvest. I don't know. And while we're out here, I might as well show you these other flowers. So we have plumeria coming here, but they're not quite ready to bloom yet. I don't even know what this is, but it's really pretty. Some kind of vine that grows up. And then this, okay, this is a cocktail bush. I'd never heard of such a thing. But this plant, it's got limes on it right now. But about a month and a half ago, 2 months ago, it had kumquats on it. So this bush has 5 different citrus that actually grow on it throughout the year. So we're into lime season here. They're not quite ready, but soon. I thought that was pretty cool. And then over here we have a gorgeous hibiscus, which I love. So we just wanted to share some sunshine with you guys and check in, let you know we're doing all right. Hope you guys are doing all right. Oh, we got to show you Miss Pistol. Did you eat your lunch already? Pistol? Pistol girl, say hi. She's doing good. She's settled into life here in a house. So anyway, we'll be checking in with you guys more frequently. And yeah, hopefully we'll be on the road soon. Carry on.
Carry on.